Meanwhile, India has been known as one of the largest importers of defense equipment in the world. But now, a new focused approach by the Indian government towards manufacturing arms within India has resulted in India's ability to export military hardware to the rest of the world. And this is something that's a huge market, and India wants to tap into it. And this year, the Indian defense exports have now crossed the $1.5 billion mark. The reports also say that a new record is expected this fiscal year. And the reasons for this uptick includes an increased demand in Europe and also the Indian government's efforts to engage partners such as Armenia. Now remember, a whole host of different nations from around the world are looking to in fact purchase India-made armaments, be it the LCA Tejas, be it the BrahMos missiles. And these are agreements that are being signed with many nations from around the world. There were a slew of export orders signed with Yerevan, included the Pinaka rocket launchers, the artillery guns and also a variety of ammunition, and this has helped to shore up numbers this year. Now, according to SIPRI, which is an independent international institute, India remains the world's top arms and weapons system importer, despite leading amongst the group of arms importing nations. Now, India's defense imports declined by about 11% in the period 2013 to 2017, but now they've gone up pretty sharply. India currently exports weapons to 80 nations worldwide, and with this, India also earns a huge amount of revenue. Now, there are many nations, including nations such as the United States of America and Armenia, who have now become countries that purchase arms that are made in India by India. The numbers clearly point at a steady progress that India is making in its Make in India project, and what this has shown is that in the last 5-10 years, India has become one of the biggest players, or is emerging as one of the biggest players in exporting arms worldwide. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.